Using side-by-side view in Zoom. As an instructor, or as a student participant in a Zoom call, you may find occasions where you want the shared content window and the presenter's video feed to both be visible at the same time and at a similar size. The standard corner thumbnail image is often too small to view fine details, such as facial expressions and hand gestures, but also the use of a physical whiteboard or blackboard, or some other in-class demonstration. Using the side-by-side view mode in Zoom will allow participants additional visibility options that are especially useful for presentations and lectures. Pinning or spotlighting videos can also enhance this viewing option by directing the viewer's attention to one specific video feed at a time. In this instructional video, we will be going over how to enable side-by-side mode, how to adjust frame sizes, how to pin a video feed, and how to spotlight a video feed. Part 1. Enabling side-by-side mode. To enable side-by-side mode, you must have at least 2 or more participants in the Zoom meeting. Also, side-by-side viewing is only possible when a screen is being shared. To enable side-by-side mode, while viewing a shared screen, click on View Options. Select Side-by-Side Mode. The shared screen will appear on the left, and the active speaker will appear on the right. A reminder to exit side-by-side mode, click on View Options and uncheck the side-by-side mode option. Part 2. Adjusting frame size. To adjust the size of either video feed, hover your pointer over the boundary between the shared screen and the active speaker's video feed. When your pointer changes to a double arrow and you see a gray line splitting the 2 video feeds, click and drag left or right. To change between active speaker and gallery view, click on the option at the top. If this is a feature that is not automatically enabled for you when participants share their screens and you'd like it to be, open the Zoom app on your device, click on your profile picture or initials, go to Settings, click on the Share Screen tab, and make sure the checkbox for side-by-side mode is checked. Note that if you'd rather have both sides evenly distributed so that you can view the content on both symmetrically, we recommend using Fit to Window. To enable Fit to Window, go to View Options and select Fit to Window. Part 3. How to pin a video feed. If you would like to focus attention on a single participant video feed, or if you would rather focus the video feed on a participant other than the active speaker, hover over the participant's video feed, click the ellipses, select Pin Video. It's important to note that the host of the Zoom meeting can override your pin by using Spotlight. Part 4. How to spotlight a video feed. In order to use Spotlight Video as a feature within Zoom, you must have at least 3 participants as part of your meeting. If you are the host of a Zoom meeting and want all participants to focus their attention to one participant, hover over the participant's video feed. Click the ellipses. Select Spotlight. It is important to note that the person being spotlighted will continue to be the active speaker until the host changes the spotlight to another participant or turns the spotlight off. As the presenter, you will see a different layout than if you are a participant. When you are sharing your screen, you will see a floating thumbnail rather than the side-by-side option. Thank you for watching this video tutorial. Please contact Instructional Technology or the Help Desk if you have any questions about using this software.